Hey traders, welcome to wetradewaves weekly forex forecast. We really hope all of you had a great trading week. Despite FOMC, BOE unexpected rate rise, CPI data, and ton of other fundamental events, market gave us decent moves and we were able to take advantage of some of them. I'll explain that in a moment. Before we start, we have few announcements for you. On the 25th of December and the 1st of January, we will not publish our YouTube weekly Forex forecast. So the next Forex forecast will be on the 8th of January 2022. Alright? However, Sunday sessions will continue without any stop. Is that clear? Not only that, on the 3rd of January, and for the first time, a special session will be conducted for our in-depth analysis service members, where we will share trades of the year for 2022. And guys, 1000 pips moves are ready for you, so you don't wanna miss that. Those of you who don't know about our Sunday sessions or our in-depth analysis service, all the details are on our website or in the description under this video. Now, in today's video, I'll explain you a bit more than usual, so keep watching till the end and let's get started. DXY, for this one, remember again I'm repeating this guys, from here we said the next week and December will be a mess. And look at this what was happening here. So the first tip for you, market usually moves in 3 phases: uptrend, downtrend, or ranging mode. Alright? For this one, we call this correction. The majority of retail traders, they avoid this phase. For us, we like it. Why? Because once we know the direction, we trade only in the direction of our bias. As example for this one, the bias was toward the downside, so we traded this down wave, and we were in this sell from here. So it's not about trading every single move, it's about to trade when market gives you a setup in the direction of your bias. How to have a correct bias? Knowledge, experience, and you follow us. So for this one, we traded this down wave, we've made money here, we traded this drop, we've got break even. Why? We were expecting market to drop more, instead we've got this sharp up, corrective structure here, for another push up. Market gave us a corrective structure before FOMC, and this is where we knew that market will push up prior to any down wave. Do we have a proof for that? Sure. This is what we have posted for our Slack group members, and this is what we sent as a midweek review email. So FOMC was here, market shot up, and then we've got this drop. Did we get in this buy? No. Why? Our bias was toward the downside. We got in this sell, and then we bought gold and few other majors. Before I explain you what we are expecting next, let me give you another tip here. And this tip, guys, is very important. Some of you might be asking, alright Alan, if you took this sell here and let's say target is here, how you'll be able to make profits here in this down wave only? And the answer for that is partial profits. Taking partial profits, guys, is very important. Some trading platforms does not allow you to take partial profits. What to do? You divide your position into 2 trades. As example, if you usually risk 2% per trade, you divide this risk into 2 trades. So you take 2 trades for 1% risk. And once you see market dropping, you take partial profits, which means you close one and you move the next one to break even. In this way, there is no way to lose. No matter what the market will do, you will be able to make profits. Alright guys? Anyway, market dropped. This drop was based on liquidity and we are still in a ranging mode. And despite FOMC and what Fed are planning to do next year, T will explain you this decision in details on Sunday session. Regarding the structure, we can see DXY moving upwards to break this top and this top. And I explained this more than once here regarding these 2 tops or these equal highs on our YouTube channel. Even if the XAUUSD will be shooting up to break this top and this top, we are not going to buy dollar. We will monitor, wait, and then take the next sell once this sell will be ready. Euro dollar, for this one guys, all of you are in our in-depth analysis service. You must remember this trade of the week. We said you sell from here to the downside and you take profits under this low. This is exactly what market did. Why under this low? We see liquidity differently. Anyway, some of our traders took this buy as well to the upside and market started to correct. FOMC pushed this to the downside and some of us also bought this to the upside. After that, market dropped. What next? Corrective structure upwards for another drop. And this down wave guys, it can break this low and potentially this one as well. Another tip for you. Try to combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis. This combination guys, it will give you a great probability chance of being right. We do not count only on wave analysis or technical analysis. We read a lot of newspapers and we follow what's happening in the world. We follow what central banks are planning to do and you analyze the macroeconomic factors and what's happening inside the country. So again, the tip for you, try to combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis. For euro dollar, corrective structure upwards, another drop. What will be the next trade for this one? T will explain you this in details on Sunday session. Now what will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live session with T. If you cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. In addition to that, you will get trades of the week and trades of the month. So if you are interested, you can subscribe in just few clicks. Pound dollar, for this one, there was an unexpected rate rise and market shot up. At the same time, COVID cases are rising in UK and the virus is spreading fast. Also inflation is rising, so we have pressure on pound. Structurally, this is showing us a possibility for another drop. And as you must have seen, this up wave retraced all the way down the next day. Corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. This is what we can see next for pound dollar. Can this down wave go all the way down to break this low and this low? Of course. Are we going to trade this down wave? Probably not. So this update guys is only for those who are already in. Aussie dollar for this one, we were waiting market to go up, break this top, and then we'll see the price action. Market gave us a correction here. Again, some of our traders got in the buy here, they made profits in this up wave, and now market is falling. This drop guys, it can extend to the downside. And this down move, it can go all the way down to break this low, and then after that, we will update you. Even if this will be going up to break this top, market will be going down again. Is that clear? Those of you who are not in, we suggest you to leave it for now. Dollar yen for this one, market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, another correction here, one push up. This was a clear corrective structure to us and a clear pattern. Another tip, don't be addicted guys to click trades. Instead, you have to wait, be patient, and backtest. Everything is in front of you on the charts. If you master how to read the charts correctly, you will be able to make consistent profits. And this should be your goal. Consistent profits. Making money from trading every single month. This is what we are doing, and this is what we teach our traders to do. And we have a lot of success stories. You can check our website, our Trustpilot profile, or our YouTube page. And also we really hope guys in 2021, a lot of you made money from our forecasts. Anyway, coming back to dollar yen. For this one, we are biased to the downside from these levels, or even if this one be going up to break this top, we will look for sell setups only. Is that clear? Even if this one will be going up to break this top, we will not buy, we will ignore this up wave, and we will focus on our sell setups only. Those of you who are in the sell, do not close your trade. Move it to break even and let market unfold. New Zealand dollar for this one, market went in correctively, we broke this low, and then we've got this shoot up. We broke this top as well. This is a structure to us, and market is falling under this low. Did we get in this sell? No. Looks like market will correct for another drop. So wait on that, wait market to break this low, and then you look for the next buy setup. One more tip. Do not try to get revenge from the market. If you get a loss, accept it and wait for the next trade. And remember this, market is not against you. Market don't know you anyway, but because you are most traders, most likely you are going to trade the same way most traders trade. You execute in the same level, you take profits at the same level, usually you cut profits, and you put stop loss at the same level. So market makers or liquidity providers, they see stop loss orders as pools. So again, market don't know you, and there is nothing against you. If you get a loss, do not try to get revenge from the market, because you cannot. Market is always right. Remember that. Pound yen for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. If you get in this buy, this was a great trade. What next? We think that market will correct upwards. So those of you get in this buy, we hope you made profits and now you wait. If you are an investor, you have to invest wisely, which means do not put all your eggs in one basket or all your money in one stock. At the same time, you have to do your due diligence regarding the company that you are looking to invest in. As a trader, you must take risks wisely, which means do not overtrade, do not over-risk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. I want all of you guys to follow those rules in 2022. Only by following those rules, you will be able to protect your capital and most probably grow your account. Risk management is the most important part in trading. USOIL, for this one, market is correcting downwards. What next? A push up will be coming here, probably correction, one more push up, and then the fall. Are we going to buy this one? We are not interested. We are looking to sell USOIL when market is ready. Some of you might be scalpers, or some of you might like to go for this buy, is up to you. For us, we will not buy USOIL. Gold, this was amazing. For us, this was a drop, corrective structure, one more drop here, and then this up wave. Market was ready to go up from here or from under this low. But the way market was going to the upside, it gave us a sign that a drop will be coming. This was on FOMC. Some of our traders took a sell from here, and some of them took a buy under this low. Do we have a proof for that? Sure. This was the sell, and this an example of a buy setup. Look at the entry. And remember, we said to you guys for gold, we are biased to the upside. COVID cases are rising everywhere, and if countries will be going in lockdown again, and we start to have uncertainty again in the world, gold will correct here for another push up. This was the trade to the upside, and now we are waiting a corrective structure downwards. Let me repeat that. We are waiting a corrective structure downwards. Bigger picture, the pattern, where gold might go next, all of this will be explained in details by T on Sunday session. Dollar CAD, for this one guys, market went up, we broke this top. Now here, with this up wave, a corrective structure is expected for another up wave, and we are going to break this top and the previous top as well. So for dollar CAD, another up wave will be coming. Silver, for this one, we've got a corrective structure upwards, this drop, and now are going up. What next? Looks like market will correct downwards for another up move. At the moment, we are waiting market to correct downwards. Bitcoin, market is correcting downwards. The next wave for this one is towards the upside. Short to medium term, this will be going up. That's what we can see. Bigger picture, one single pattern shows us that Bitcoin will go to 20. If that happens, guys, this will be your best investment you can ever make in Bitcoin. Again, best investment doesn't mean you over-risk and you put all your money in Bitcoin. I'm repeating this again. You should only put 10 to 20% of your portfolio in cryptocurrencies, if you like to do that. Alright? For now, short to medium term, we can see this moving upwards. With that note, guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and successful New Year. Our in-depth analysis service members, we see you as usual on Sunday. And for the rest, we see you here on YouTube on the 8th of January. Trade with care.